it up to Higgins Lake for the first side-by-side ride of the year. Of course, Chase has already had 2 casualties. He blew a belt and he blew a tire with a stick right through the side of it. Carson's got his up and running, about time. Mine's going all right. Alex is going all right.
Pieces of belt everywhere.
So Chase, tell me, how's your first trip to Higgins Lake going?
This is why this thing stays in the garage.
Yeah.
Every time it comes out, this happens.
Chase did too much preparing.
I did an oil change for the first time.
Hey, first time the thing ever had an oil change. It's got like 4,000 miles on it.
Sure, I usually thought you guys never change oil in these 1000s.
I don't.
You put whip lights on it, a speaker, you put lights.
Mirrors.
Yep. New set of tires that lasted about 5 miles.
We only need like one little different tire on that
brand
side.
new.
Brand new tire in spot.
Yep. All rock.
Oh, you brought the Ryobi.
Where is that tire?
I thought you didn't bring
I
that.
left it over there.
Oh, that's a different bag, ain't it?
Yeah. This is the tool cap.
The belt's back on. We had to unwind that from the clutch. The primary. Yay. No cover. We got wet sand. So, should be fine.
I think the belt, this thing's about to bust.
I got it right. I don't even know how fun it. I just got it.
So, beautiful Saturday. Finally got out. I had to air up a tire. Chase left his machine back at the cabin because it's POS. Tried going to this grandpa pit. It's closed, still active, so it didn't work. So now we're headed to a ghost town called Parashani. We're gonna go check that out, and then probably go to Roscompton for some food, fuel, and then.
How's the machine running, Mike?
Oh, she's running mint.
Yeah.
Making a couple weird noises, but she's still running fine.
It's a razor.
Hey, if they make noises, just turn up the radio, ignore them.
I wish.
Came back to the cabin. We all went and jumped in the lake. Then went to the dock, jumped in. Then we came back, showered, went and got some dinner. Now we're about to head up a little night ride. Chase decided not to come. He's too tired, so I think him and Leah are gonna stay at the cabin. We're just gonna go out for a little ride. I did get a couple codes on my buggy. Something wrong with the speed signal, electronic ECU. Well, we officially made it back down. Sorry for the last clip, it just cut out, and we didn't record any until now. So yeah, just getting the buggies all cleaned up, and Chase is dropped off back at home. Mikey and Alex back home. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video.